The cute. Hi friends, let's make a cute car for our teacher. For this car we need yellow, blue and black color paper. I'm going to trace 2 hearts on the blue color paper. It should be like this. Now let's cut it out. Got 2 hearts like this. Let's repeat it with a black color paper. Now we have 2 blacks and 2 blue hearts. I cut out 1 yellow heart as well. Take a yellow paper, fold it to half and draw a heart on it. Now let's cut it out. Get a small card like this. Cut 2 small yellow hearts and cut 2 black stripes as well. Take a glue and stick the yellow heart to a black heart. Stick the black heart on the yellow heart. Let's put the yellow card on top and the black card. Take 2 blue hearts as his wings. Card looks like this. Now let's stick the small yellow hearts to the big black stripes. I put the antenna on the head like this. Stuck googly eyes and made a smiley the message like this. Isn't it cute? Hope you enjoy. Bye. Please like our videos, share with your friends and subscribe please. Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye bye. Let's see.